Today's video is about translation of English words turns into Bisaya. So if you have something else to ask, especially to Bisaya, just comment below to my YouTube channel. So let's start. Beautiful. Guapa. Handsome. Guwapo. Ugly. Maot. Where do you live? Asa ka nagpuyo? Lazy. Tapulan. Chubby. Tamsi. Pat. Tambok. How old are you? Pila na imo edad? Are you married? Minyo na ka? Are you single? Single pa ka? How much? Tagpila. According to the witness, ingon sa mga marites. Talk too much. Tabian. Quiet. Hilom. Are you hungry? Gutom na ka? Close your eyes. Ipiyong ang imong mga mata. Open your legs. Ibilangkad imong mga paa.
Yeah, boy.
Why? Ngano? What? Unsa? Where? Asa? When? Kanus-a? Look. Pagtanaw. Listen. Paminaw. Stop. Hunong. Don't stop. Ayaw hunong. Continue. Padayon. Bat. Lubot. Part. Otot. Holes. Buslot. Papi. Itoy. Cold. Bugnaw. Hot. Init. How are you? Kumusta na ka? Kasin. Agaw. What else? Unsa pa? No one else. Wala na ilain. Bad boy. Bugoy. Wise. Mantas. Low. Hinay. Hard. Gahi. Soup. Humok. Slowly. Anam-anam. Anam-anam. Speed. Paspas. Win. Daog. Lows. Pildi.